Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can fix error or just like bugs on fix bugs on Shopify. So really depends on what kind of bug you have, but usually is because it's really because like you're actually I don't know the reason why you might have that bug, but usually what you can do is just to clean your browser, cache and cookies. Just clean your browser and then this can sometimes solve the issue caused by outdated data, and you can also search here in the help for bug, and maybe someone is like has the same problem as you do, and that's one thing you can do. Just search for a bug that you have exactly what that bug related to, what it says. Also, you can try different browser. See if the bug persists in another browser. That can be very helpful. Also, restarting your browser or computer. This can sometimes this can fake temporary glitches. Maybe there's a glitch. Also, something maybe they might have a problem with the. Sorry, 1 second. With your theme. So maybe your theme is there's some problems there. Maybe there's a bug. You can contact support, Shopify support, but a better way is just to try to. The best thing you can do is just search for the exact issue that you're having problems with. You can also ask a question on community shopify.com, and here search the exact issue that you're having, because that's the best advice I can give you, is because depends not on the bug, depends on the issue that you're facing. There might be different solutions for that exact problem. So for one bug, you might address that problem using different steps compared with another issue, another bug. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.